Okay, so this is question 16 for chapter 7.3 in the textbook. So the question is, a piece of cheese was cut from a cylindrical block of cheddar. What volume of cheese was cut from the block? What assumption did you make? Okay, so first of all, I drew the cheese. So let's first start by finding the volume as if the cheese was not cut. And when you're done, it should look like this. Okay, so let's go back to our piece of cheese. So let's just assume that the piece that was cut was 1/4 of the whole thing. So take the overall volume and divide it by 4. And then we get 1,695 and 6/10 cubic centimeters.